Or I just came in my room and I just heard my JVC HR-XVC12 look some static noises. I don't understand what the heck is happening. No, seriously, what a detonation is happening here? StreamYard guest, shortwave frequencies, and bucket fighting real, aka Gork. What happens if I test the VHS? Can something happen? Nothing exactly happens when the VHS tape is playing, except on the blue screen for somehow. I don't understand what's happening. But it's just fine on the DVD input. But line 1 is literally just it's literally just random. It's just static sounds for absolutely no reason. So I'm going to go ahead and power it off. I'm going to go ahead and change the input. I'm going to go ahead and change the input to the same new DVD player right here I have. I'm going to change the input to the same new DVD player. I can't really step close or as I'll actually get shock. And so that is exactly that was exactly the static sounds on my JVC the HR-XVC12 VCR DVD combo.